Straight out the lunch. MMAT gas. This thing looked like it was about to break that $2 for sure. Look like those $2 calls is printing here today. Let's see. 15-minute chart here. Very, very healthy climb here on yesterday's trade. But as you guys can see here, no slouch on the volume at all. Fund flow looks heavy across the board and healthy as well, guys. We'll take a brief look and check out our active buy count here currently on the intraday. We do see a nice heavy active buy here currently in MMAT. Looks like that $2 price target will be reached and breached with ease here shortly. As you guys can see here, not a huge active count here at $1.98, but we do have a nice heavy presence here, guys, between that $1.95 and $1.90. As you guys can see here, nice heavy stacked active buy count there on that range. Should make it easily climb back towards that 98 cent. But 95 cents, sorry about that, guys. So it'll make an easy climb back to the $1.95 here in MMAT. Ran into your channel last night. Shout out to Moas. Shout out to you. Yeah, thanks for the sub, bro. It really does help when you guys smash that like button. Don't forget to hit that. Don't forget to drop a comment, guys. You know we doing this every day, Monday through Friday, guys, on schedule. I think we did it early. I'm pretty sure we did do it early here today. But it's gonna be a little bit extended though. We do supposed to do it at 10:30 a.m. guys, but doing a little bit early today for all you early birds out there. Don't forget to smash that like button and tell a friend that Obi is back at it again. But like I said before, should be an easy climb back towards that $90.95 for all you MMAT heads out there. Yes. What else we're looking at here? I like to look at that 5-minute ranking, guys. Right now we are looking at the hot stocks on that 5-minute ranking. CLVS made a huge drift downwards, guys, after making that alert today. Price target on that thing is 49 cents, guys. 49 cents here for the price target for CLVS. As you guys know, we are basically in the middle of the week, Tuesday, but CLVS, I do see this thing actually reaching those 49-cent levels here before the end of the week for sure, clear as day. If we take a brief look and check out the active buy here on this thing, we do see not a huge fallout in favor of the active buy here currently. Stretch isn't wide either, guys, and the range here hasn't broken either side just yet. As far as the open here on today's trading pretty close. And on that, let's take a brief look and check out our position cost distribution really quickly. Don't forget to smash that like button if you're new to the live stream. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't smash it, guys. Hit it once, because if you do it twice, you will unsubscribe. So, one time. Now let's check out that degree overlap, currently sitting at 68%. Not much. Profit ratio is where we like to see it, not too high on that, but we are in the higher echelon of numbers there. Far as profit ratio that we want to see. CLVS 49 cent, guys. Like I said, but we looking out for that PT to land here before the end of the week. We're not saying Friday before the end of the week on that one. Now, there, as you guys can see here, SE is starting to see a lot of fluctuation in price, but we're staying away from that one here today. Let's check out all stocks in the 5-minute ranking. This thing is going crazy, right? All of a sudden, too, guys, break out on the floor, huh? Is y'all getting this? It's a 44% increase in price just in 7 minutes of trading, guys. Check this out. Let's check out this thing, man. Let's see. This thing just kicked off. Making strides, too. I try to get in this thing at 12 cent. Looks like it may fall back down towards 12 cent before seeing a huge drift up, guys. Let's see. I would pit my placement at 12 cent. Because it's a lot of orders still needing to be filled around those levels. And if we miss it, we just miss it, guys. But this thing is moving crazy here today. Anybody in this thing? Let me know. 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 Smash volume is not loud enough. He says the volume isn't loud enough. My bad, Mike. I think I just need to talk a little bit louder. That's it. I'm pretty sure. Or do I need to do anything else? What about now? Let me know. What's up? Sean, what's going on, my guy? What do you think about PHUN? PHUN looks like this thing is going to be ready to run here for sure. It's going to be like a silhouette play to DWAC. PHUN, but we're just waiting for that presidential announcement. 12 cent on this thing, guys. It's a lot of active orders need to be filled at that 12 cents. So look for that algorithm to actually come back down towards that 12 cent, fill those orders, and maybe rip from there, but who knows, guys. Checking out DWAC, like I said, it is just waiting on the man of the day. That's the only thing going on here. Of course, you're going to see some volatile movements to the downside. You know how things go here, guys. But once that announcement is made, I speculate to see this thing actually multi-day gainer. $40 on the high for me. If it goes beyond that, I will be gladly to leave money on the table. Let's see, PHUN. That's what we were going after. For you penny stockers out there, fill up the stocking because this as well. Just waiting on the guy of the day to speak. So once he announces his presidential run, guys, I do think this thing may see $2 on the top. I don't think it can go over $2 just off that announcement, but like I said, a multi-day runner in store for PHUN as well. It should be a symphony play for DWAC for sure. But the clock is ticking, right? Um, what do you think about PHUN? We got that one out the way. So, what we came to see, let's check out Mullen. Mullen is headed to Texas, right, guys? And you know, car culture in Texas is also pretty big. But Las Vegas was a hmm. Las Vegas was a basically, if you ask me, guys, a home run for the showcase of the Mullen Five. Um, Sellout orders. We did get more orders for the Mullen Five after that showcase as well. So, if you ask me, it was successful. Now on the road to Texas, what to expect? Nothing more, nothing less, guys. Don't think that this Texas thing is going to be the next big catalyst for Mullen. No, but we should see more orders being made for that Mullen 5 after this showcase. But again, guys, we won't see these things on the road until 2024. But until then, Mullen has to continue to make the right corporate actions by making the right decisions for distribution as well as production. That's going to be the main focus here for the next 12 months for Mullen. Um, and not so much the day-to-day share price, but like I told you guys before, elephant in the room is again dilution, guys, and that will be the solution for Mullen to actually get these projects off the road, well, off and onto the road. Let's just say that because they do have a lot of them in store for us, right, guys? But again, it seems as though that the auto manufacturers are recovering from one of the worst days they have seen in quite some time, guys. Auto manufacturers have been getting hit across the head, and I'm not just talking about EV companies, guys. One thing's for sure, though, semiconductors have been coming alive these last few weeks of trading. As you guys can see here, SOXL, one of our beloved, is up 10% here on the day. And if we take a brief look and check out this day chart, this thing has just been performing pretty well. But how high can this thing go before we see a major shakeout retracement? Because it is coming. Like I said before, guys, I do think this thing is going to hit that $15 here this week for sure, guys. More than likely, we may be able to hit that $15 price target here today. Now, during that presidential announcement, will stocks like semiconductors run as well? Yes, guys. Um, During that presidential announcement, the market as a whole will go in an uproar, guys, due to the fact that the Republicans love the market, guys. Anytime a Republican actually comes into office, we actually see the benefit here on Wall Street for sure. So, just hearing Donald Trump actually go after it will send again the stock market in an uproar across the whole board. More so, DWAC and PHUN concentrated, but semiconductors will reap some of that as well, guys. So don't sleep at all. Let's see what the chat's talking about. Do you think can barely hear you? Please, your volume. Everyone sold the news DWAC today, but if it can you hear me now, Bart? What about now? I think it is because oh my god. Advanced auto properties. Let's go turn that up just a tad bit, I guess. All right, I think that should be a little bit better, guys. Let me know in the comment section below. But like I said, guys, semiconductors should get a nice benefit from the presidential announcement here today due to the fact that, like I said, Republicans tend to actually send the market in a uproar to the upside for sure. And semiconductors should be one of those sectors that should see some phenomenal growth here over the next coming days for sure. And that is why we are getting our feet wet here in SOXL $15 price target on the way. TBLT taking that huge dive here, drawback here from yesterday's trading. But again, guys, it was just a earnings play. These things don't last forever. You get it in and you get out. XELA on its retracement as well. As you guys know, we played this thing like a fiddle here yesterday. We were the piper. And as you guys know, 35 cent came in on today's high. Before that, retracement that we're undergoing, but yesterday's after market hours was a huge shakeout for XELA. I know a lot of people were saying this thing was headed towards $1, and things like that can ruin the confidence on the road to that for sure. One thing that did make a huge turnaround though, guys, RDHL, as you guys know, here on as you guys know, this thing took a hold on, let's go 15-minute chart here. As you guys know, this thing took a huge dive back on the 10th here. Um, well, the 11th pre-market took that huge dive, guys, made a nice recovery for sure. As you guys see, ran as high as 67 cents from that 23-cent low. Phenomenal stride back to the upside, but this thing as well seems as though that it is starting to slow down in volume, guys. And one thing for RDHL, when this thing slows down in volume, it tends to be a trickle to the downside. So if you're in this play, locking those gains. Let's see here. DWAC going to get crazy when it breaks $30. We shall see here pretty soon. Like I said before, what is dilution? Dilution is basically they're going to have a offering of shares at a certain price to actually raise money, and that dilution is actually going to dilute your ownership in the company, because stocks isn't anything but ownership of a company, guys. It is the total opposite of cryptocurrency. That's the only thing that a share is, guys, because you guys was wondering. But what we are looking at here, let's see the best performing current industries here. NFTs is up. Tencent Music, 26%. Live streaming. HUYA is making nice strides. HUYA here. And let's look at the 4-hour on this thing. We do see a heavy short positions, a high short sale ratio taken here on the short positions on Monday's trading, but total short volume wasn't too high due to that low trading volume overall. But as you guys see here today, that is not the case. So far, we are already sitting at 3.95 million in volume, shattering yesterday's volume already. HUYA, what we're going to take a brief look at on this thing and check out our interpretations of indicators. Now, as you guys can see here on the 1 day, coming from the 10th, guys, this thing made a huge move here. So of course we're going to see some bearish indicators, overbought readings for sure on that RSI as well as that MACD here on the day. But if we take a brief look and check out what's more important to us right here in this moment, and that is the 1 minute, we do see the main level of the RSI currently bearish here, guys, pointing to a overbought indicator right here on the 1 minute. So this thing is facing huge chance of retracement here currently. And if we take a brief look and check out this 15-minute chart, guys, it's more likely this stock has a great chance to fall back towards those $2.70 levels around the close here today for HUYA. Man, let's see here and go back to our semiconductors are starting to heat back up here. Let's check out AMD. AMD just got some great news here today, guys. Uh, their chips, their chip is going to be found in the tie-in HPC here, guys, and that is big news for AMD, guys. AMD is on a full-fledged turnaround, if you ask me, headed back towards those triple-digit share price numbers, back towards those $120 levels here before the end of the year, guys. That is a bold statement, but I do believe that AMD has a great chance to pull it off for sure. $120 before December 31st, guys. Very, very bold statement here for AMD. But again, guys, AMD as well as NVIDIA, two major chip manufacturers that is now going to be deboing Chinese competitors for their market share by refusing to sell them advanced microchips, which is ultimately going to blackball the market and favoring American companies. And it's undergoing as we speak now, guys. That's why we're seeing a slight turnaround for American companies in the chip market. I know a lot of people are focusing on Taiwan chip manufacturers, guys. Qualcomm as well, but top three, if you ask me, guys: NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel. Far as an American companies in this field, those three you can't go wrong with. MEGL, this thing was just lighting up here today, guys. Bid volume was looking pretty good on, well, in the beginning of the day here. Bid volume was extremely high and consistent. As you guys can see here right at the gate, this thing ran as high as $3.24, but that retracement came at a huge, huge cost, guys. That was huge outflow activity for sure. As you guys can see here, hit on all four scales on during that retracement phase right there. But as far as MEGL on that day, guys, this thing looks like it is ready to pick back up. And I do believe that MEGL will be closing above $3 here with ease on the day. Don't forget, guys, if you're new to the live stream, don't forget to smash that like button on your way in. It really does help the channel grow. So if you do want to support the channel in any shape, fashion, or form, smash that like button. Alright, guys, let's smash that like button. Don't forget to share this video on StockTwits top 5 trending stocks. Anytime you come across one of my videos, guys, if you are a StockTwits user, don't forget to share the video on StockTwits pertaining to the ticker that I am speaking upon. But semiconductors are doing fine still. Let's see if we can find IDX. Bohr is still pushing up. Let's see here. And guys, if you're wondering what trading platform I'm using, it is called Moomoo. If you do want to sign up, remember using my link now will give you guys 15 free stocks. And these stocks can value up to $2,000 each, and that is free money. And being able to trade during the pre and after market hours, which is a huge tool, guys. Is a huge tool. This thing is on the retracement from its peak, still currently up over 100% here on the day. As you guys see, checking out the news, it was just a 2-for-1 stock split. Will begin trading and adjust by its win. As far as this thing, missed that one. Would I touch it now? Nah. It's just a straight pump. This thing finna drop. Um, Man, that was a vast move. Anybody play that? Let me know in the comment section. See what's going on with AMC real quick, guys. I know those 1-2 back on during this run up here, guys, on the 10th and 11th, as well as on the 14th, guys. I know a lot of YouTubers was coming out the woodwork saying the short squeeze is on, it's happening, this and that. But guys, take that with a grain of salt. All right. HEHX. Still haven't made a recovery on. Semiconductors are starting to peak back past 5%. That's a very great sign here. We're getting closer towards lunchtime, guys. Do you know when Donald Trump is supposed to make his announcement? Let me know in the live chat, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button if you're new to the live stream, guys. Currently have 21 watching and 23 likes here. No, 24 current viewers and 23 likes, guys. So I know it's at least one guy out there that forgot to smash that like button. So if that is you, time to do so is now, guys. Like I said, we're going to be extending this one for an extra 15 minutes. We kick this one off 15 minutes early. So, and like I said before, guys, we will be live streaming Power Hour as well, just like yesterday. Meet me here Monday through Friday, 2 times a day. Same time, nothing has changed, guys. WEG. Oh, Joe. Nah. Flash drop here. PEGY. This is one of those that has a great chance to pass its high here on the day. Before the close, guys. This thing seems it has a great chance to heat back up for sure. Keep your eyes out on PEGY. Something that you don't want to sleep on. XELA is starting to slip even more, guys. That bouncing dead cat here right at the flop of that 26 cent, guys, was just bouncing dead cat if you ask me. Let's get on. Oh. This thing is just keep picking back up now. Look like it may be crossing that 1535 here, guys, to flip that SAR here. Looks like it's about to crash to 1535. Break the 1535. Sorry about that. Looks like it's about to jump across that 1535 wall here shortly. REVB. Let's see. Let's see. Check out that bid volume on that. See that GOVX here as well. There we go. REVB. The break. This is why you guys don't want to miss the next live stream, guys. We catch these early seats as it happen just off the bid volume is very, very important. Let's see here, and bid exceeds 10K here so far, but that isn't much for a 16-cent stock. HUYA is still pushing. I want to see semiconductors close above 5.25 here today, guys. That'd be very, very, very great. Um, like I said, I do think semiconductors finishing strong here in 2022, coming in 23, very, very hot, only to excel a lot of these American EV companies. Yeah, so be looking out for that as well. We know we love our Mullen stock like no other, guys. Speculative buying should be coming into play this second half of November for sure. The deadline for the Dale Pack announcement, Dale Pack delivery announcement, is November 30th. We didn't hear for the first half, so that first half of retracement we were facing, guys, is now over. Um, go back to this day chart, like I was warning everybody last week and the week before that, first 2 weeks of November, we were going to be facing some downwards pressure. It's exactly what we faced here, but if you making the right corporate actions during that retracement, guys, what really kept Mullen alive. Let shareholders know that this company isn't a joke. This company is the real deal. Auto manufacturers is up across the board, so SEV has been performing pretty well, guys. SEV has been showing some flash gains here these last few days of trading. As you guys know, that flash gain coming in but being wiped out right away at the trading day. That's what we call flash gains, guys. It's not done. It's not done. This thing is going to pop here pretty soon for another flash game. Meaning, guys, you don't want to hold it too long because the gains will be wiped out. It's just a great trading opportunity. CENN as well is one of those stocks that tend to actually give you flash gains, guys. So if you do tend on playing this one during this upcoming EV rally, guys. I'm not just talking Mullen. We're going to see a EV rally being pushed by the semiconductor um, industry. Let's check out these live chats. Yo, saw on Rum News feed. Yes, sir. Okay, 8 p.m. on Rumble. Let's see. I'm new to the channel. What's up, Buzzy? I gotta like read people name before I say it because I almost got um demonetized right there, man. But I'm new to the channel. Shout out to Buzzy. Um, I hope you become a subscriber. Make It Easy Money family. Would love to have you part of the group for sure, guys. Like I said before, our main objective each and every day is to make money in the stock market. So if you came here to fool around, I believe you came here to the wrong place. That's for sure. Let's see what's going on though, guys. Um, Mullen stock. Starting to see a little lift there. Not much, but if this thing can break the SAR here on the 15-minute chart, I do believe we may drift towards those 32-cent levels here for the close. That will be great. We haven't closed here 32 cent in quite some time, guys. Last time we closed above 32 cent was, let's check it out here on the day chart, guys. Last time we closed above 32 cent here, and Mullen was back on the 10th. Okay, the 10th of November, the last time we did close above 32 cent. Looks as though that we may be getting back towards those levels here before the end of the day, and that'll be a nice bull flag here, especially awaiting that Dell Pack announcement. Do I believe the price is baked into the? Do I believe the news is already baked into the price? No, guys. I do think this thing may see high levels of 40 cent to 45 cent just off of that news alone. If you do the math, that is almost 50% gain from what the price we see here today. But far as Mullen jumping towards the moon for $1 off that announcement, I do not think that is the case. Um, let's check out what we got going on here. Semiconductors, let's see that thing close here at 5.25. MEGL is starting to heat back up. This is one of those stocks I let everyone know during um, on the Discord. Watch this thing. Bid volume looks nice. And thing ran as high as $3.24. We do see that wipe out for sure, guys. Vast moves like this can cause a snowball effect for sure. As you guys can see here, just in this 20 minutes alone, the stock dropped 12.98%. And trust me, guys, with a lot of people buying this stock at $3 and up for sure. And if you take a brief look and go over to Semiconductors starting to creep. Let's go, guys. Let's go. SOXL, we're still waiting for that um, $15 price target. Ran as high as 14.50. But like I said before, guys, this thing is going to give some gains here pretty soon for sure. This is the total opposite of SOXL. It moves in the opposite direction wherever SOXL moves, guys. So we're going to see once we start to see that retracement phase in the semiconductor field, guys. That's when I will throw some money over into SOXS. Ultimately, just to reap those benefits on the downwards trend of the semiconductors, taking those gains over to SOXL or any semiconductor company that I feel as though that is going to be the best pick moving forward. AMD being one of my favorites, guys, for those that is wondering. IRNT has been hitting the alerts message a lot here today. REVB, we were just talking about that as well. We did see that jump here. Seems as though that this thing just slowed down here in volume, and that is currently the case. Let's check out. Everything's just still. Let's see what GME doing, guys. Just for the hell of it, GME is sitting pretty decent, guys. Fairly solid trading day for GME, AMC as well. Starting to come across that consolidation phase midday. Um, consolidation phase midday. I'm going to FOMO into DWAC when it breaks $30. Why not now, man? If that's the case, you might as well do it now because it'll be a lower cost average, right? Did I miss any AMC talk? You know what, Grant? We coming back to it for you, man. Just because Grant just jumped in here and asked about AMC, we got to go back on AMC because he just walked in the building. Everybody make way for my boy Grant. Now, if you guys know, like I said before, man, consolidation phase right now, Grant. Um, that halt yesterday was a great sign. AMC actually did break yesterday's market trend right away quickly, and then that halt came into play. Haven't seen a halt in AMC in quite some time. It's a very great sign that things may be coming back to life. AMC may have a fighting chance to see those halts to the upside again, guys. So far as this thing go, guys, AMC really does have to make a close above $8 here pretty soon. AMC drifting above the $8 here. As you guys can see here, closed, went above $8, but continuing to close under $8 in AMC. We do need to see this thing actually close above it to actually consider this thing on a full-fledged turnaround. Like I said before, AMC has to actually break the market trend, which it did. But today, guys, the overall market is up um, for the market as a whole. In fact, entertainment is up as well. HUYA leading the pack. This thing looks as though, like I was telling you guys, man, this thing is breaking at 3. May run size 317, guys. 317 here today for So with that being said, guys, I'm going to let you guys go and make sure you guys meet me at the next live stream here on the Making Easy Money YouTube channel, which is going to be going on during Power Hour. So make sure you guys don't miss out on that, and may the